Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm just going to run through the last 5 trade signals that I've sent to our VIP group and just see how they are stacking up. And this is an invite for you to jump on board if you like what you're seeing. You only need 1 trade a day to do well. If you follow a good strategy, stick to the rules. Next one was the Kiwi dollar. And really, this is an invite for you to join us on this journey. So these are real-time signals with entry and stop loss. Target, we're always looking for a 1-to-1 to take most of our position off and then trail the rest. We have a full system here. We've got trade signals that we'll just have a look at the last one, dollar Swiss, that we use off our indicators. This one, target 1 was reached. Okay, so we have a strategy. We have our trade signals over here. Look at all these opportunities. And all we do is wait for these signals. Here we are. We've got a pound Kiwi that's just come in. We click on them. We come into the chart and we have a set of rules that we use. And if it meets the criteria, we take the trade. Take up this opportunity. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Shout me a coffee and cake once a month for full access. So with that, I look forward to hearing from you. And as always, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.